Launch day of the JoockyJam Sauce.
Launch day. Woo woo. JoockyJam Jerk Sauce.
Launch day. We are heading to Atlanta. All right, folks. We're over here at the Smokin'Bears, and we are going to set up the JoockyJam Sauce. Today is the first day of the launch.
There
he is.
What we got today? We got the Chicago special. We got everything, baby. We banging out the hits with that Harold chicken and that Mr. Raymond sauce. And we got the Kenny's chicken and rib sauce. You need to get on down here before it's gone. May be cold outside, but it's hot in here. And along, featuring the JoockyJam Jerk Sauce. Just came out today. You only can get it right here, right now, baby. You better get it now, so you can say you the first one to get it before it hit the store. Ooh, it's finally here. The JoockyJam Jerk Sauce, baby. AG born Jamaican. Look him up on YouTube. Tony Graham Jerk Sauce. Right here, boy. And we're about to open it up right now. Online. So you can see it yourself. Right here. Right here, buddy. Ooh, it's really packed in here. Got here, right here. Well, my hand shaking. Oh my God! Right there, buddy. I can smell it through the bottom. Look at this. Oh, y'all thought I was gonna do it right away, didn't you? I got you. Let's watch this one. Bam! Right there. AG born Jamaican, right there. That's the real jerk sauce right here, buddy. And a dab will do right there. Now, y'all ain't gonna see me on camera eat this myself, but this here, buddy, straight from the islands. The real authentic jerk sauce. Can't get it in the store. Not yet, though, but you can get it at Smokin'Bears. Come on down. Let's go.
Today, I'm gonna pay for dinner for somebody, but they have to pick a number from 1 to 10, and they have to be within 2. Exact or 2. So your number is? 5. And she did win. So I will be paying for dinner for her. How you like jerk sauce?
Jerk sauce was really, really good. That sub I had yesterday, it was really, really good. Got that nice little tangy, spicy feeling to it.
10 is the best.
The first bite, it wasn't that spicy, but when I took that second bite, it was like, I give it a 7 out of 10. It was really, really
okay, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. This is it. This is the jerk chicken dinner.
Damn, what do you now? You like spicy?
Oh yeah, it goes.
It's good?
It is not that spicy. It's flavor. It has a nice, yeah, it's good. And it's sweet.
Hello, she just purchased the JoockyJam sauce, sold to the public.
Excited.
And I'm real happy that you bought it. Thank you again, Jasmine.
Thank you.
And you have a beautiful day.
What's your
okay?
name? Erica. Erica? Nice meeting you, Erica.
So, go ahead. She said, ooh.
That's good. Oh yeah.
You like
did
it?
that. Love it.
If you need any other jerk sauce, like I said earlier, he sells it here. So whenever you run out, there will be some here.
The Smokin'Bears is the place to be. Come and get you some.
Oh yeah, always remember, you don't need a whole lot. You don't need a whole lot of it. So thank you for your support. Appreciate it. You have a happy holiday. Hello. How you doing?
Yeah, how you doing?
I'm great. What's your name?
Travis.
Travis.
Hey, what's up, y'all?
down here in beautiful Hampton, Georgia. And let me tell y'all, as a barbecue lover, I have to tell y'all to come try my boy Melvin and Smokin'Bears. It's great. The service is great. The people are great. He represents Chi-Town down here in Georgia. Please come by, support this man. He's doing it real big. Ribs, fries, tips, you name it, he got it. And also, please come by and get this JoockyJam Jerk Sauce, because I'm really about to go put this on some ribs and put it on my smoker. So really come down here to Hampton at the corner of McDonough Road and come see what he's talking about.
What Dad would do you?
What's that, how long?
6 months. But that's just how good it is. You don't need much.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's all right.
Okay.
Good. That's good. Nice by the kick. Good taste, good flavor. Yeah. Come get it. Come get it. Don't believe me, just come get it. We on.
You heard him. Come get it.
Smokin'Bears is the place to be.
Hey, man, you know the Smokin'Bears is the place to be, y'all. Come on, man. Oh, you got these imitators and haters out there.
Imitators and the haters.
Remember yesterday I told you agents going to Jamaican YouTube was gonna be here?
Hello, I have Chef Baker in the house.
Yes, sir.
Original.
From Yard.
Say it again.
From Yard.
What part?
Jamaica, Trelawney.
Trelawney.
Yeah, man, countryman.
Respect.
Where all the good yam come from. Good food.
All right. And I'm gonna let you guys know about his restaurant, his location. I'm looking for Chef Baker to be a sponsor of the JoockyJam Jerk Sauce. So, Chef Baker, love and respect. People, stay tuned. What's going on?
It's natural. Good. Man, shit, I'm biting the bone.
Got flavor, boy.
Challenging Chef Baker. The chef. The oxtail time. Nyama.
We're gonna nyam. Oh well, no, I know we are gonna nyam it.
We're gonna have people nyam it out.
People nyam it.
And I'm gonna slap him to the back.
Oxtail cooker.
Yes, sir.
Come and check this out.
Chef Baker's place too.
The Smokin'Bears sponsoring this.
You heard? And you have been hurting your seed.
See there.
See that. See that. The oxtail God. God of all oxtail. You the king. You still rolling down here. I'm rolling up above.
Do what?
The oxtail title.
Do what?
The king versus the God.
Alright. Go with. Oh God.
Get it, baby.
Chef, yeah, boost me now.
I'm telling you, let's go.
Do it again. Yeah, boost me.
Smoke gas like a Smokin'Bears.
Goddamn right.